For the practice problems, evaluate the following expressions given that f1 is equal f prime 1 which is equal to and g1 is equal g prime 1 which is equal 1. So we need to evaluate derivative of x squared f of x when x is equal 1 and derivative of x plus gx over x f of x when x is equal 1. So first let us find the derivative of x squared f of x. So this one is x squared, this one is f of x, so we have two functions, we need to use the product rule. Derivative of x squared will be 2x multiplied by fx plus derivative of fx will be f prime x and we multiply by x squared. Now we need to evaluate when x is equal 1, so 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by f1 plus 1 squared multiplied by f prime 1. So after that, then 2 multiplied by 1, 2, f1 it is given equal 2, so 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 will be the same, f prime 1, that's mean it is given by 2, so we replace f prime 1 by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 which is 2, so 4 plus 2, this will give us it is equal 6, so the final result here it is equal to 6. Then for the second one, derivative of x plus gx over x f of x, we need to find the derivative using the quotient rule. So here to find the derivative x plus g of x over x f of x, we will use the quotient rule. Derivative of x g of x will be derivative of x1 plus derivative of gx will be g prime multiplied by x f of x minus x g of x multiplied by the derivative of x multiplied by f of x. Here we need to use again the product rule. Derivative of x will be 1 multiplied by fx plus derivative of f will be f prime multiplied by x and we divide by the x f of x all squared. Now we need to replace any x in the derivative by 1, so the derivative when x is equal 1 will be 1 plus g prime 1 multiplied by x will be 1, fx will be f1 minus 1 plus g1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by f1 plus f1 multiplied by f prime 1 and we divide by 1 multiplied by f1 all squared. So g prime 1 it is equal to g1 which is equal 1. So for any g we're replacing by 1, for any f we're replacing by 2. So 1 plus here 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by, sorry, here 1 plus 1, so then multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, so this will be 2 minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1, then multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2. This one should be 1 multiplied, this one here it is multiplication not addition, because 1 multiplied by f1 it will be 1 multiplied by 2, not 1 plus 2, so this one should be multiplication not addition. Multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2, so it will be 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1 plus 1 will be 2 and 1 multiplied by 2 will be 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2, 2. So 2 plus 2 will be 4, 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8 and 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4, so 4 minus 8 over 4 it will be minus 4 over 4, this will give us minus 1. Then the second question, find an equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to root x over hx at x is equal 1 where h1 is equal h prime 1 which is equal 2. So we need to find the equation of the tangent line. First we need to find the derivative. So here for finding the derivative we use the quotient rule. So it will be 2 multiplied by the derivative of root x which is 1 over 2 root x multiplied by hx minus. Then we need to differentiate hx, so it will be h prime x multiplied by 2 root x. So 2 root x multiplied by h prime x divided by hx all squared. So the derivative when x is equal 1, just we need to replace any x by 1 from the derivative. So 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by root of x which is root of 1, 1 multiplied by h1 which is 2 minus 2 multiplied by root of x which is 1 h prime 1 is equal to and we divide by h1 all squared, so this is 2 all squared. So once you simplify this one the result will be equal minus half because 2 will cancel with this 2, just we left from here 2 minus and 2 multiplied by root 1 multiplied by 2, so this will give us 2 minus 4 divided by 4, this will give us, it will be minus half. To find the point, so y1, we go to the function, replace any x by 1, it will be 2 root 1 over h1. So h1 is 2, so 2 over 2, this will give us it is equal 1. So the point is 1, 1. We have the slope minus half. The equation of the tangent line given by y minus 1 is equal minus half multiplied by x minus 1. Once you rewrite your function, you will find that y is equal minus half x plus 3 over 2. And this is the equation of the tangent line passing through the point 1, 1